Alright, what's up, guys? Uh, Welcome to the 2011 Bowman Chrome 10 case ridiculousness break brought to you by www.blowoutcards.com. Blowout Cards hooking us up with a nice price on 10 of these, where we are going to pull some amazing stuff tonight. I can hardly wait. But I'm going to get started off with a little bit of stuff for myself here. And I happened to pick up 5 value boxes, excuse me, for 9.97 each. That's right, 9.97. Nice and cheap. Gonna crack these things open and see what we get. Hopefully, I pull a Harper Super before we even get started. I just was going into Dick's. Funny story. Pick up some batting gloves for softball. I happened to see some other threads about these being 9.97, and sure enough, they were. So gonna crack these open and hopefully they get something good. Also, they have some other blasters there for uh, like maybe I don't know, $10 I think. Topps Chrome is one of them. So, well, without further ado, let's get into these. I think the worst part about the value box is going through all the sticky stuff, and finally you get back to the packs. I think they use more cardboard and plastic on these things than any other product, that's for sure. So three red refractor Harpers and one silver so far. So this will be our last chance at some gold in this one. All right. Now, my hope with these ones is that another red refractor. So no golds out of the 5 value boxes. My hope with these is some people were saying they started printing more value boxes up, and I don't know. Hate to uh, hate to speculate, but supposedly the first edition were better, or who the hell knows with these things. So I guess I'll save the Topps Chrome, seeing as I still have a good half hour to kill. The Bowman Chrome, open the tops, seeing as we still have a good half hour to kill here before we get into the case break. All right, and tops, as expected, nothing. I'm expecting fully 25 packs of nothing. So anything you get out of a Topps pack is a complete surprise. Hosmer rookies, maybe. Matt Garza, and then there's a Bautista Cabrera Canerco, little insert. Cognac Diamond. Put the codes off to the side for right now. And Andre Dawson Mini. Alex Rodriguez, Toppstown. Nothing too crazy so far. And there's a gold, Wilson Valdez. For my buddy Wilson Valdez on Blowout. There's one of our expired diamond codes. Knew you're bound to hit a couple of those. Miguel Cabrera out of 2011. Joel Hanrahan Diamond. Gerald Laird, gold border. Eduardo Nunez, rookie. Diamond parallel. Expired diamond code. Hey, there you go. Eric Hosmer, rookie debut. Set that one off to the side. Melvin Mora, Orioles, Cognac. Tom Seaver, 60th insert. Freddie Freeman, 60th insert. Sometimes you see some people posting autos out of these things, but I have not hit an auto out of a Topps value box, out of a Topps, a Dustin Ackley rookie, out of a Topps pack in about, I don't know, maybe 75, 80 value boxes total I've done now. I've hit some nice stuff out of the Chrome, but nothing too crazy out of this. So it'd be nice to change that, maybe. 5 game used. I think I've hit out of them, maybe 4 or 5. Expired giveaway. And a Drew Storen 60th. Brian Wilson, Cognac Diamond. Pretty nice one. Javi Lopez. Nothing like lefty specialists. And a Ty Cobb Mini. Ackley, Rizzo rookies, Craig Kimbrell, and then a Neftali Feliz. Some diamond parallels. Another Ackley rookie, another Rizzo, Nix, Jimenez, another Rizzo rookie, Darren Oliver, Mark Teixeira mini. You got 5 packs left. Been pretty successful selling the Topps base off as lots on eBay though, so hey, there we go. Eric Hosmer rookie card. I was going for somewhere around $1 a piece. Hey, there we go. Legend short print. That's one of the actual short prints, not one of the variations. Paul Molitor. That's a nice one. All right. I actually sold a DiMaggio short print on Check Out My Cards for like $15. I don't know what that one will get me, but might get me a couple. Alex Rodriguez mini, Paul Goldschmidt rookie card. And last 2 packs of update. And then we get to move on to the good stuff. Hey, expired diamond code. Nolan Ryan 60th. And last pack. Make it a good one. Doesn't look like one. And a Logan Morrison, Mike Stanton insert. And that's as good as we're going to do. All right.